If you are a project owner or a major contractor looking to cut operating costs by 70%, this video is for you. Every construction site has a hidden problem: dirty trucks. They carry more than just materials. They drag mud, sand, and debris out of your site and into public road. This isn't just an eyesore, it leads to fine, environmental penalties, and reputational damage. Manual washing is slow, inconsistent, and labor dependent. But what if you could clean every truck automatically in just 2 minutes without needing a single worker? That's exactly what GO&GO Auto Wash solution delivers. Introducing the GO&GO Self-Cleaning Truck Wash, designed specifically for construction site, mining operation, logistics zone, and cement plant. This is not a typical vehicle washer. It's an industrial-grade, high-capacity, fully automatic system tailored to the need of heavy-duty operation. Here's what sets it apart: smart detection. Optical sensor automatically recognize incoming vehicle. No button to press, no staff needed. The system targets all critical areas: tires, undercarriage, side panel, rear, using high-pressure jet and rotating nozzles. Fast operation. Each truck is washed and ready to leave in under 2 minutes. Tough on mud, gentle on machines. Built for roof environment, and the system handles the thickest cream without damaging the vehicle paint or part. Automated sediment removal. The wash pit includes a mud separation system, ensuring the area stay clean with minimal maintenance. Whether you're running 50 or 200 trucks a day, GO&GO adapt to your pace and scale. Why are leading contractor, quarry operator, and transport companies switching to GO&GO? Because the numbers speak for themselves. Save time with up 200 vehicle wash per day. Your fleet keep moving instead of waiting. Cut costs. Operating costs are as low as $0.4 per wash, including water, power, and detergent. Boost compliance. GO&GO help your site meet environmental regulation by preventing mud from reaching public road. Enhance reputation. A clean truck fleet signal professionalism and care to client, communities, and regulator. Reduce labor dependence. No more manual hauling, inconsistent cleaning, or overtime cost. The system does it all automatically, and it doesn't stop there. Each GO&GO system comes with tailored site layout plan, installation support, and post-sale maintenance option. Whether you working in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, or Latin America, our export-ready team ensure a smooth setup. Stop managing mud manually. Let GO&GO automate it. Faster, cleaner, smarter. Take the first step by contacting us today. GO&GO Smart Clean, Smart Business.